School Head, Sister Josie Tangka, AGOSA, Mrs. Azalia P. Peira. School Principal, Foreign Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Liban Crex Delemius, Wing Commander. Cadet Major Dan Fred Badilla, Deputy Wing Commander. Cadet Major Jamila Briana Carando. Cadet Major Chloe Mare Biseño, Wing 2. Cadet Major Jude Gabriel Bigay, Wing 3. Cadet Major Carlo Barcelona, Wing 4. Major Leader Joshua Angela Kate Benedicto. DBC Leader Cadet Captain Monico Paglapit, Company EXO. Cadet Captain John Aizen Ballesteros. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet First Lieutenant Joel Borodor. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet First Lieutenant Kimberly Ann Gibson. CAT Facilitator, Mr. Victorino Preboneria. DBC Coordinator, Mr. Kevin Maestrado. Majority Coordinator, Ms. Catherine Boni. Majority Trainer, Mr. Frank Del Relato. Band or DBC Trainer, Mr. Lance Panambo and Nelson Panambo. Entry number 13, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated, San Ramon, Baao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 13, La Consolacion College, Baao Incorporated, San Ramon, Baao, Camarines Sur. Next.